So it's considered impolite to call out other septic workers if they do a shit job. So I would never do. So this is a house that somebody's building to like live in, and they hired a septic contractor to come out and install a septic tank. That installer never studied the principle of buoyancy whenever they went to, I don't know, middle school, because here's the septic tank that they installed for that house, and you think, gosh, they're just not done burying it yet. Yeah, that's not what happened. What happened is that tank was completely buried about a year and a half ago, and because the installer didn't partially fill it with water or secure it with concrete whenever they anchored it down at the bottom, when it rained, the tank literally floated up out of the ground. So these people never moved into their house, so they weren't using water, and the tank wasn't full, and the septic installer didn't put water in it. And then physics fucked everybody. This is one of those lessons where don't